Welcome guys to dhalimartin, and in today's video you will see how I transform this bureau or dresser or chest, however you want to call it, yes, into this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will give you all the details on how much I purchased it, where did I purchase it, and what I used to transform it. So if you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for the support, and I hope you guys keep on enjoying us and my daily life, my DIYs, my beauty, my blogs, my cooking videos, and my weight loss journey. Yeah, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notifications every time I post a video. Goodbye guys, enjoy. So as you guys can see here, guys, my husband started doing the project for me because I was inside with the kiddos, taking care of them and editing some videos. Yes, but here he's just with the spatula, he's just using a solution that lifts up the glue. It had like a laminate, like a little vinyl sheet on top of it when I purchased it, and it was all destroyed. So he was just removing the glue from it before he sanded. So then you guys will see him sanding it and prepping it for me to paint it. Yes, so he sanded the top and painted the top for me. So you guys will see how I just transformed the bottom part and the drawers. Now you guys see me here painting the bottom part. This is when I came out and I started painting the bottom all white. I used it's a semi-gloss white paint that I got from Walmart a long time ago. You guys will see the can when I show it to you. It's very rusty because it was in storage. I don't know why it got so ugly, but yeah, that's the paint that I used. I bought it for like $9 in Walmart, and it was pretty good. It painted really well. I used a brush and I used a roller in order to paint the body and the drawers. Now all I did was take off the knobs. I removed the knobs before I started sanding the top part of the drawers. I just sanded a little bit to take the gloss off in order so that the wood can take the paint properly. You have to sand the gloss off in order so that it don't chip, so that the paint doesn't chip. So that's what I did. I just took the knobs off and then I started filing. Sanding the top of the drawers. Yes, I used a file. I used the 120, the medium smooth. I don't have the machine, so I had to do it by hands. It is kind of hard to do it with nails, so I suggest if you're trying to sand pieces of wood and stuff like that and you have nails on, get yourself the little machine. Yes, I will be purchasing that machine soon. So yes, this is the one that I used, is the non-slip grip. It's the Pro Grade Precision 3M. It's really good, a sandpaper. It sanded really well. It took off the gloss right away. I didn't have to scrub, I didn't have to do it too hard on the wood, so it was pretty well. I mean, I sanded and it took the paint really well. So this is the paint, guys. It's called Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover. It's in the semi-gloss white, and it's pretty well. I mean, I just paid like $9 for it, so it's pretty good. You guys should try it. It covers pretty well. I had to do it. I did it 3 times just so that I can make sure that all the little, because it was a dark stain on the wood, so I wanted to cover it as much as I could, and it came out very beautiful. So guys, I purchased this chest from the Facebook Marketplace for just $20, and it's pure wood. Guys, you guys will find the best wood furniture, antique furnitures and stuff from the Facebook Market. So I highly recommend for you guys to search in the Facebook Market around your area, and you guys will find whatever you're looking for, and even better. Now you guys gonna see me painting the knobs, spray painting the knobs with a Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray. And guys, let me tell you, they came out amazing. The gold was not too over shiny and it was not too dull. It was amazing. It came out perfect, and you guys will see at the end. So to finish it off, guys, I used the Def Clear Wood Finish Gloss to cover the wood so that it could give it a little bit of a shine and the paint doesn't look rough and stuff like that. So this is a really good product. I highly recommend it. It's in Walmart. All I spent was $20 for all the material. Like for all the material except for the paint, because I already had the paint. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed watching us transform this chest into this beautiful piece of art. And if you're new, like I said, thank you for joining us, and I hope you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because I would love to welcome you guys to our family. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite part, and if you'd like to see this type of content so that I can keep on making videos for you guys. So let's chatting, you know. I spoke too much today. So if you haven't seen my previous video, yes, I look all glammed up and it's the same clothes because I recorded everything the same day. So if you haven't seen the previous video of this, which is getting to know me, I will leave it linked in the art cards. Just click on it. You guys will get to know me, why I created my YouTube channel, and you guys will love my content and subscribe and help you grow out. So bye guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to leave me a comment. And follow my social media. Yes, follow my social media. Instagram. I have Twitter, but I don't tweet that much. I retweet. And sometimes I post a lot of stuff. I have TikTok. Yes, go follow me there so you can see me dance. And make stupid jokes. And also Snapchat. If you got Snapchat, Facebook, I'll leave the link down below to all of my social media. If you would like to chit chat, you can email me, you can direct message me. I will answer. It's not going to be an automated message or a machine. I will answer. You can ask me anything. And P.O. Box coming soon. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know. Bye bye guys. Till next time.